All right, in this short video, I'm going to show you how I can create a style sheet for my website. Once I create the style sheet, I'm going to add some rules and then I'm going to attach it to my pages in my website. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I've opened up all of my pages in my website and now I'm ready to make a style sheet. I'm going to go to File, New. I'm going to choose a CSS document and I'm going to create it. Once I have that style sheet, I can go ahead and put some rules. And when we create style rules, we always have our tag that we're going to affect. So I'm going to use body because that'll be very general rules. You have an open and a closing, and that's the squiggly bracket. And so I'm going to go ahead and choose a background color. And with that background color, I'm going to go to Adobe Color and I'm going to choose this green background color. And over on Adobe Color, you can choose different types of schemes that you want to use. So here's my background color, and then I'm going to do a text color, which is just the rule color. Notice I have a colon in between my rule and my color. And I'm going to go ahead and do this lighter green for the color. And I'm going to save this document. I need to make sure it goes in my root folder and it'll be the word styles.css. And now I'm ready to go into my index page and I'm going to add my style rule so that I can attach an external style sheet. And I'm going to go ahead and Google that, which you could too. External style sheet, HTML example. So how to add CSS. There is a line of code that goes in the head section. I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to go into the head section of my document. And it is link rel style sheet. And then the hyperlink reference, instead of saying my style, I named it styles. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. And then I'm going to make sure that when I go to my About Me page and I open up my index page, it is working, and it is. So now my index page has changed from being white and black to this nice monochromatic color scheme. Once I know that's working, I can then go in to all of my pages in my website and I can paste that line of code because I need to link my style sheet to every page on my website. Now that they're linked, any changes I make in the style sheet will show up on my site. So I'm going to save all of those and then I'm going to come back here and now I can go through all of them and I have changed my font color and I've also changed my background color. Now the other thing I asked you to do for homework is to change the heading color. So I can make a heading 1 color. I'm going to go back to that Adobe Color website and I'm going to make my heading color this base color here. So it's just another green. So I'm going to say that heading 1 needs to be that color. And this rule for that is going to be color and then the item. Notice at the end of every line of my style sheet, I have a semicolon. So I'm going to go ahead and save all of those. And I'm going to go back and check out my page. And now you'll notice it was a very small change. Maybe I should make that a little bit different. So let's go with a purple color. So I'm going to go complementary and I'm going to choose a purple color so that it's a little bit brighter for me to be able to tell that I've actually done something. So I'll save that. Then I'm going to go back and refresh and now I have a purple heading. So now what I've successfully done is I've created a style sheet. I gave it a name. I made sure that style sheet was inside my root folder. After I did that, I added a line of code to the top of every page that linked to that style sheet. Then I went back into my styles document and I added rules for my background color, my text color, and my heading color.